Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Students, today we will discuss about kinds of pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid monotony of repetition. Pronouns are of different kinds. Here we shall study about pronouns. Personal pronouns. These are pronouns used in the place of names of people, animals, or things. For example, I, me, mine, we, us, ours, you, yours, he, him, she, her, they, them, it. Reflexive pronouns. These are pronouns that reflect back to the subject. Examples: myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, themselves, itself. I looked at myself in the mirror. The pronoun myself reflects back to the subject I. We treated ourselves to some pasta. The pronoun ourselves reflects back to the subject we. The cat heard itself. The pronoun itself reflects back to the subject the cat. Indefinite pronouns. These are pronouns that refer to the persons or events that are not clearly specified. Examples: someone, somebody, something, everyone, everybody, everything, anyone, anybody, anything, nobody, nothing, no one, all, one, oneself. Demonstrative pronouns. These are pronouns that point to specific persons or things. Examples: this, that, these, those. This is my uncle. Those are the houses I visited. Relative pronouns. These are pronouns that introduced dependent or relative clauses in sentences. They can also stand alone as the subject or object of a sentence. Examples: who, whoever, whom, whomever, that, which, when, where, whose. One who comes first wins this medal. Whoever comes first wins this medal. Interrogative pronouns. These are pronouns that ask questions. Examples: what, when, where, why, how, who, which, whom, whose. When does the train arrive? Which is his house?